Welcome to the installation video for the Eroute 8000R electric wheelchair. The Eroute 8000R electric wheelchair is the lightest model in our range and one of the lightest on the market, weighing in at 53 lbs without battery and 57 lbs with battery. Its main advantage over all other models is the automatic backrest positioning, where you can use the joystick or remote control to position the wheelchair. In the package, you will find accessories for installing the headrest. Also a charger, tools. Prepare a medium-sized Allen wrench to install the headrest. Unfasten the cushion. Screw the headrest to the auxiliary bar. Attach the wheelchair sleeve to the auxiliary bar. Next, stretch the cushion and then add the second sleeve. The joystick can be attached to either the right or left side. Then connect the power cable with the battery. You can also use the wheelchair in manual mode. Just switch the red levers at the back of the motors. You can use the joystick to increase or decrease the speed or use the horn, and you can also find the battery level on the joystick. The electric wheelchair is also equipped with a seat belt. Now the wheelchair is ready for use. To position the backrest, press the button on the left side and then adjust the angle you choose using the joystick. Then press the left button again to switch to driving. You can recline the footrest or both armrests for safe entry. All essential information can be found in the manual in English language. The wheelchair is equipped with an innovative remote control function. Just switch on the wheelchair, then switch on the remote control and you can drive remotely. In the remote control mode, the wheelchair is positioned using the right button. Hold until the wheelchair starts to position. Then press the bottom button on the other side of the remote a few times and you can move the wheelchair. To straighten the armrest, hold the bottom button from the back of the controller and press it a few more times when the wheelchair is straightened. You can find storage pockets on the side. The headrest is adjustable by tilting and also in height. Charging is easy and you can charge directly on the joystick or outside the wheelchair. Just the battery. Folding and unfolding is easy. Just remember to secure or unsecure the backrest lock. We hope you found this installation video helpful, and we would be happy if you let us know how satisfied you are with the wheelchair.